I'm angry. I am so angry about it. And I cry. I can't fix anything.
An Indiana mother is pushing for change tonight. Her 23-year-old son died after suffering an asthma attack inside Newcastle Correctional Facility, which is a state prison in Henry County.
WRTV Investigates Kara Kenny is digging into what happened and the action this mother is now taking on behalf of her son.
At Newcastle Correctional, Brandon Nisley was prisoner number 271391. But to his mom, Kelly, Brandon was her only son, her firstborn.
He was a really fun kid, very unusual.
Kelly joined us via Zoom from a hospital bed. She's being treated for an unrelated medical issue.
I think about him every day, all the time.
Brandon suffered from asthma and COPD and relied on an inhaler. On February 21st, 2020, court records say Brandon told prison staff he was in pain and couldn't breathe. Court records allege staff mocked him and accused Brandon of faking. His mom visited him the next day on February 22nd and noticed his fingertips were blue. Kelly says she pleaded with staff members to get Brandon emergency medical help.
As a mom, you want to fix things. And when I was there that day, and I tried.
Kelly says her son continued to tell prison staff he could not breathe. And although medical staff evaluated him, court documents allege no one ever called 911 for emergency help until it was too late. The morning of February 23rd, Brandon turned pale and completely stopped breathing and was declared dead at the hospital at the age of 23. Kelly filed a wrongful death lawsuit on April 9th of this year against the Geo Group, a Florida company that runs Newcastle Correctional, and Wexford of Indiana, the contracted medical provider for the prison. It alleges they were negligent and failed to provide Brandon adequate medical care and failed to call for emergency medical treatment in a timely fashion. Kelly hopes to prompt change at Indiana prisons.
What Brandon went through, when he died, and the pain he was in to help other people. Yeah. Sorry. I just miss him and I can't do nothing for him. But if I can accomplish this, yes.
Kelly's attorney, Tim Rowe, points out that you, the taxpayer, pay private companies to run facilities like Newcastle.
Yeah, they make a lot of money doing it. And all we're saying is provide, this is still a human being, provide basic medical services to this man. He couldn't breathe. He was having an asthma attack, and they were completely indifferent to it. It was treatable. It was definitely avoidable.
Brandon was serving a 3-year sentence for sexual misconduct with a minor. He was scheduled to be released in 2022.
What do you say to people that say that people in prison deserve this?
I'm not going to sit here and try to say what he did was right. He didn't have a death sentence.
Kelly hoped that prison would rehabilitate her son. Prisoner 271391 is now listed as deceased. Kelly hopes to prevent other parents from losing a child.
People need to be aware that this is going on with the medication. And when their family members tell them that they're not getting the help they need to believe them, and things need to change.
Working for you, Kara Kenny, WRTV.
Wexford declined to comment on this lawsuit. Geo Group referred us to the Indiana Department of Correction, who also declined to comment. WRTV Investigates asked the state to provide data on in-custody deaths at state prisons, and we are still waiting on that information. The Supreme Court has ruled that prison inmates have a right to adequate medical care. Prisons are required to provide that medical care through government employees or contracted staff. If your rights have been violated, make sure to document everything. You can file a grievance with the prison or contact the ACLU or a private attorney.